What would you do if you suddenly felt a crushing pain in your chest and you were all alone? It's a terrifying thought, but for many over 60, it's a real possibility. A heart attack doesn't always look like it does in the movies. Sometimes it's subtle, and knowing what to do in those first few minutes can literally be the difference between life and death. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly important: how to survive a heart attack when you're by yourself. I'm going to share 7 life-saving tips that every single senior, and honestly, everyone who loves a senior, absolutely must know. These aren't just suggestions. They are actions that can buy you precious time and dramatically increase your chances of a full recovery. So please, stay with me for the next few minutes. This information could save your life or the life of someone you love. First things first, you need to recognize the signs. A heart attack isn't always the dramatic, clutching your chest and falling down scene. The symptoms can be much quieter, especially for women. You might feel a discomfort or pressure in the center of your chest that lasts for more than a few minutes, or it might go away and come back. But it's not just about chest pain. Pay close attention to pain or discomfort in other areas of your upper body. This could be in one or both arms, your back, neck, jaw, or even your stomach. You might also feel short of breath, break out in a cold sweat, feel nauseous, or suddenly become lightheaded. Don't dismiss these symptoms as just indigestion or feeling tired. If something feels wrong, it probably is. The biggest mistake people make is waiting too long to get help because they're not sure if it is serious. Your body is sending you a warning signal. Your job is to listen to it. Trust your intuition. If you're feeling a combination of these things and it's not normal for you, it's time to act immediately. So, you've recognized the signs. What's the very first, most critical step? Call for emergency help. In the US and many other countries, that's 911. In the UK, it's 999. Know your local emergency number by heart. Do not, under any circumstances, try to drive yourself to the hospital. You could lose consciousness behind the wheel, endangering yourself and others. And don't call a friend or family member to drive you either. Why? Because paramedics can start life-saving treatment the moment they arrive. They have oxygen, medication, and a defibrillator. An ambulance is essentially a mobile emergency room. When you call, be clear and calm. Say, "I think I'm having a heart attack." Give them your exact address and any important details, like your apartment number or if there's a gate code. Stay on the line with the dispatcher. They are trained to keep you calm and can give you instructions until help arrives. This single action is the most important thing you will do. Don't delay. Don't second guess. Just make the call. While you're waiting for the ambulance, our third tip comes into play. Unlock your door. This might seem like a small detail, but it's incredibly important. First responders need to get to you as quickly as possible. If your door is locked, they have to waste precious seconds or even minutes breaking it down. After you've called for help, make your way to the front door and unlock it. If you have a chain or a deadbolt, undo those as well. Once the door is unlocked, the best thing to do is lie down on the floor near the door. Why the floor? Because if you faint or lose consciousness, you won't fall and injure yourself further. Lying down also helps reduce the strain on your heart. You can put a pillow under your head and knees to be more comfortable. Lying near the door makes it easy for the paramedics to find you as soon as they enter. It's a simple, proactive step that ensures help can reach you without any delay. Our fourth tip is about a common medication you might already have in your medicine cabinet: aspirin. If your doctor has said it's okay for you, and you are not allergic or have any condition that prevents you from taking it, chewing one regular strength 325 milligram aspirin can be a lifesaver. Why chew it instead of swallowing? Chewing helps the aspirin get into your bloodstream much faster. Aspirin works by thinning the blood and helping to prevent the blood clot that's causing the heart attack from getting bigger. It can help restore blood flow to your heart muscle. But this comes with a huge disclaimer. Do not take aspirin if you are allergic to it, if you have a bleeding disorder, or if your doctor has specifically told you not to. If you're unsure, it's better to wait for the paramedics and ask them. They can administer the right medication safely. This is a step to consider only if you are certain it's safe for you. Always prioritize calling for help first. Tip number 5 is to stay as calm as you possibly can. I know this is incredibly difficult. Your body is in crisis, and your mind is probably racing with fear. But panic and anxiety can make the situation worse. When you panic, your heart rate and blood pressure increase, which puts even more strain on your already struggling heart. So, how can you stay calm? Try to focus on slow, deep breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. This can help to lower your heart rate. Try to focus your mind on something positive or calming, a happy memory, a peaceful place, or the fact that help is on the way. Remind yourself that you have taken the right steps. You've called for help, you've unlocked the door, and you're in the safest possible position. You've done everything you can. Now, your job is to conserve your energy and let your body focus on surviving until the professionals take over. Deep breaths. You can do this. Our 6th tip is all about preparation, something you do before a crisis ever happens. Have a medical information sheet ready and easily accessible. Think of it as your personal emergency file. This sheet should be on your refrigerator or next to your phone, somewhere obvious where paramedics will see it. What should be on it? Your full name, date of birth, and any known medical conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. List all the medications you are currently taking, including the dosages. Don't forget over-the-counter drugs, vitamins, or supplements. Also, list any allergies you have, especially to medications like penicillin or aspirin. Finally, include the names and phone numbers of your primary doctor and your emergency contacts, like a close family member or a trusted neighbor. Having this information ready saves an enormous amount of time and helps the medical team make the best and quickest decisions for your care. It speaks for you when you might not be able to. And our final tip, number 7, is something called cough CPR. Now, this is a bit controversial, and it should only be used as an absolute last resort. This is for a situation where you feel you are about to lose consciousness, and help has not yet arrived. It is not a substitute for standard CPR and should not be done if your heart is beating normally. The theory is that by coughing vigorously and deeply, you can repeatedly increase pressure in the chest, which can help maintain blood flow to the brain and keep you conscious for a few extra seconds. You would need to take a deep breath and then produce a deep, forceful cough, as if you're trying to clear phlegm from your chest. You repeat this every 1 to 2 seconds. Again, this is not a proven medical technique for all situations and is a topic of debate among experts. The most important actions remain calling for help and taking aspirin if appropriate. Think of this as a last-ditch effort if you feel yourself blacking out. Let's quickly recap our 7 life-saving tips. 1. Recognize the signs, even the subtle ones. 2. Immediately call for emergency help. Do not try to drive yourself. 3. Unlock your front door and lie down near it. 4. If it's safe for you, chew 1 regular strength aspirin. 5. Try to stay calm and breathe deeply. 6. Prepare a medical information sheet in advance and keep it visible. And 7. As a last resort, consider cough CPR if you feel you're about to pass out. Your health is your most valuable asset. Please take this information seriously. Share this video with your friends, your parents, your grandparents. Everyone needs to know this. Taking a few minutes to prepare today can give you a lifetime of tomorrows. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe, take care of your heart, and don't forget to subscribe for more vital health and wellness tips.